Hey you guys, and welcome. Are you ready to turn like totally normal stuff into the most amazing, super satisfying fidget toys ever? Like fidgets that are so you. If your hands are always busy and you've got that creative spark, then you are in exactly the right place. Okay, let's just dive right in.
Okay, so you totally know that feeling, right? Like you're trying to focus, or maybe you're just chilling out, and all of a sudden your fingers start tapping, your leg starts bouncing, you've just got all this energy and it needs to go somewhere. It seriously happens to everyone. But what if we could take all that fidgety energy and turn it into something really fun and creative?
Yep, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna show you how to make your very own collection of awesome DIY fidgets. And honestly, forget buying them from the store. The ones you make yourself are so much cooler. Plus, you probably have everything you need just like lying around your house already. So, let's get started.
All right, first up, let's talk about a total fan favorite, the squishies. I mean, is there anything more satisfying than a good squeeze? I don't think so. We're gonna make the ultimate squishy stress ball.
And the best part? It's so simple. Seriously, all you need is a balloon. Try to get a thicker one if you can, it works better. A little funnel to keep things from getting messy. And, a filler. You could use flour for that soft, doughy feel, or sand for something a little heavier, or even rice for a cool, bumpy, kind of crunchy squish. And it's super fast to make too. First, just give that balloon a good stretch, kind of wake it up. Then pop the funnel in and just slowly add your filler. A little tap, tap, tap on the side helps it all go down. You want to fill it until it's like a nice, comfy size for your hand. Then gently squeeze out any extra air before tying a super, super tight knot. And boom, just like that, you have your very own custom stress ball. How cool is that? Oh, and here's a little pro tip for you. If you want it to be extra tough, for maximum squishing, you can totally put a second balloon right over the first one. Double the balloons, double the fun, right?
Okay, and if you're still in a squishy mood, you have got to try a sensory bag. All you do is fill a strong zip top bag with something kind of gooey, like hair gel or even shaving cream, and then just toss in some fun stuff. Glitter, beads, buttons, whatever. Seal it up really tight, maybe add some tape around the top just to be safe, and then you can just squish all those little treasures around for hours. It's like having a tiny, mess-free ocean right in a bag. Okay, we've gone from squishing to shaping. So next up, we've got fidgets you can twist and bend and just kind of move around. These are absolutely perfect for keeping your hands busy when your brain is hard at work.
Seriously, can a fidget toy get any simpler than this? I honestly don't think so. For this one, you literally need just two things, a fuzzy pipe cleaner and some colorful pony beads. That's it, that's the whole list. It's like the definition of quick and easy. And the fun is just how simple it is. You just thread the beads on, but leave a little space at the end so you can fold them over and the beads don't escape. You can slide them back and forth, which feels so satisfying. Or you can bend the whole thing into a cool spiral or a zigzag, or even make it a bracelet you can wear. Okay, so you've mastered the super chill beaded pipe cleaner. You feeling ready to level up? Let's talk about the DIY Infinity Cube. Now, this one's a little more of a puzzle to build, but the payoff is this amazing fidget that you can literally fold and unfold forever. It's seriously mesmerizing. And get this, even this next level project uses really simple stuff. You just need 8 of those small wooden cubes, you can find them at pretty much any craft store, and some cool, colorful duct tape. The tape is what holds the secret to all the magic here. Making it is kind of like a mini engineering project, which is cool. You basically make 2 little squares of 4 cubes each, and you use tape to make hinges. Then you hinge those 2 parts together in a very specific way. It might take a minute to get the tape in the right spot, but once you do, you'll have an endlessly flipping, totally mind-bending cube. Okay, but wait, what if you need a fidget right now? Like, you don't have time for a whole project. Don't even worry, I got you. This next part is all about super fast fidget hacks you can make in seconds with stuff you for sure have on your desk. You got paper clips? Of course you do. Just link a few of them together and boom, instant fidget chain. It's quiet, it's small, and you can just twist it and fold it in your hand. So simple, but so good. All right, next up, grab a pencil and a couple of those little binder clips, the metal ones you squeeze open. Clip them onto the end of your pencil. Now you've got something to click, something to spin. You can fidget away while you're coming up with your next amazing idea. Okay, this last hack is a total game changer. Get a small strip of Velcro, specifically the rough, scratchy side.
Then stick it somewhere no one can see it, like under your desk or on the side of a notebook. Whenever you need that little bit of texture, you can just secretly rub your fingers over it. It's this super calming feeling that's just for you.
Wow. Okay, can we just take a second and look at everything we've covered? From squishy stress balls all the way to mind-bending cubes and those instant dustcocks, you seriously now have all the skills you need to create a whole collection of fidgets with one that's perfect for any mood.
I mean, seriously, look at this list. You can make a soft stress ball for when you need to calm down, an infinity cube for when you need to focus, that beaded pipe cleaner for quiet moments, and a paper clip chain for when you're on the go. You're pretty much a fidget toy master now.
And you know what? That's the real secret. The absolute best fidgets aren't the ones you buy in a store. They're the ones you dream up and make yourself. You get to pick the colors, the textures, the fillings, everything. Each one is like a little piece of your own creativity.
So, what are you waiting for?
Your next favorite fidget toy is just a few craft supplies away. Which one are you going to make first? Go grab your balloons, your beads, your tape, and just let your imagination run wild. Happy making!